Okay. Spilling freaking everywhere. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! I can't do that. Here, can you see that gunk everywhere when I spin it? Look at that crap. And at the bottom, like right there, look at that. It's freaking nasty. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to do the teeny dill challenge. I don't want to do this. Here, I'm going to make this up real quick. This hasn't been in the fridge or anything. Huh? Alright. Oh my face. Hasn't been open either. Might have to edit this as well.